In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add number counters in WordPress counter widget on Elementor. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Elementor menu. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, choose the editor. This will open up the Elementor interface. Once you're in the editor view, look over to the top right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site so you're working on the actual page or template where you want your counters to appear. Now that the editor is open, go to the top left corner of the Elementor panel and click the plus icon. This will open the widget options. In the search bar that appears, type counter. When you see the counter widget, drag it onto the section of the page where you want your animated number to show. With the counter selected, you'll see its settings on the left under the Content tab. Here, you'll set up how your number animation will behave. First, choose the starting number. This is where the animation begins, and in most cases you'll want this to be 0. Next, set the ending number, which is the final number you want displayed. For example, 1000. You can then add a number prefix if you need something like a currency symbol or a plus sign before the number. Similarly, the number suffix lets you add characters after the number, such as a percentage symbol, a K for thousands, or another plus sign to suggest and more. Below that, set the animation duration in milliseconds. A smaller number makes the counter move faster, a larger one slows it down. You can also decide whether to show 1000 separator and choose the style of that separator, such as a comma or a dot, to keep large numbers readable. Finally, add a title, which is the label that appears with your number. For example, happy clients or completed projects. Once the content is set, switch to the Style tab. Here, you can control the visual layout. Choose the title position and its horizontal alignment, adjust the gap between the title and the number, and select the position of the number itself. Expand the number section to customize text color, typography, text stroke, and text shadow. Then expand the title section and adjust the same kinds of settings so your label matches the design of your site. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the live preview so you can see exactly how everything looks. When you're happy with the animation, styling, and layout, go to the top right of the screen and save your changes to publish the updated counter on your site.